Good morning. Just probably lunchtime. Still up. Stopped drinking a while ago though, because we've got to make the booze last for 2 nights. Making tea made me homemade coffee. Awesome fucking bush coffee. So good. So I'm just had 3 coffees. Went and got firewood in this beautiful, amazing place. Have a look at this place. Jeez Louise. Went for a hike up there before to get some kindling type firewood. So amazing. It's killing it with the 6-star fucking camping. This is so fucking freeing here. My God. This is an anxiety buster. Coming to the fucking bush. Coming to the, to the fucking trees and just listening, and to the birds, just listening to them. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Now though, bumping some Tupac, some African stuff from Clara, some Maori stuff that I forget the name of, an amazing singer from Sydney. It's playing the fucking real shit to this audience of fucking birds, oxygen, wildlife, and fucking fuck you systemism, fuck you lies, fuck you fake. Everything in Sydney now, everything in the Western world now is a lie, is the truth, and the truth is a lie. Everything. And people and kids and people are just buying into it and just going, well, fuck it. I was even biting just because I got lazy. This is really waking me up. Coming here. This has woken me up. Fucking peace. Check in later. Oh yeah, and I'm writing rhymes. Nice. Haven't done that in ages. Fred. We have a bush turkey that comes around and annoys Fred. Oh, it's a nice little birdie. Hello, birdie.